Hi, Matthew from Factbird here, and today I'm going to be walking you through how you as a C-level executive or business controller can use Factbird to optimize your processes and increase the efficiency in your company. So as a C-level executive or a management executive in general, you're going to have a lot of different things on your mind across the business functions. So when it comes to dealing with your manufacturing and production team, you want to quickly make sure that you can pull things up, that you can speak the same language and, have conversations around how the production and manufacturing wing is doing without having to get into too much technical detail. And I think with Factbird, we make it super easy to speak the same language with your production managers and your operators. So looking here at our OEE tab as one example of a tab that you may use, you can see your overall equipment effectiveness. Now, you don't want to necessarily get into this on a line-by-line basis, leave the technical details and improvements to your people, like your operating managers and your production managers. But here, over a month-long period, you can see exactly where you're losing time and, in your interest, money. So here you can see where you're losing time due to, no planned production, maintenance, cleaning, and then all these unplanned downtime reasons. And without having to get into the nitty-gritty of, why each one of these manufacturing faults are happening, you can get a clear overview of exactly where time is being lost, so you can ask the right questions and make the right decisions to improve this and make sure that you're operating at a higher clip. Once you've implemented these decisions and started, making these strategic initiatives for improvement, you want to know whether these fixes are working or not. So looking here at our Trends tab, this is where you can look over a longer period of time to see if the decisions you're making are having, the intended impact. So let's look at a sample period here between the 1st of February and the 30th of April. So a 3-month period, and we want to see, how have we been doing over these 3 months? Have we been improving? Have we been stagnating? Or have we been losing quality? So the metric that we're looking at here is value adding time when manned. So this is, when the machines are running and you have people operating them, how much is there in value adding time? And as you can see, this is trending massively upwards, which is a really good sign. It means that you're improving your efficiency, and when the machine is manned, you're adding more value and generating more revenue for the company. So looking at over the last 3 months, you can see that whatever decisions you've been making, whatever things you've been implementing have been having the right effect. Similarly, we can look at downtime, and you can look at any one of these links on the drop-down list here. So, there's a massive amount of metrics that you can look at. But looking here at downtime, you can see it's trending downwards, which is obviously the right direction. You want to see that the machine's uptime is more. And looking here at the 1st of February, you can see we're averaging 515 minutes of downtime, as opposed to the end of April, where you're averaging 219 minutes. So that means there's a massive reduction in downtime, and the right decisions and initiatives have been made to improve your production processes, whether this be for continuous improvement, operational excellence, but you know that your decisions are on the right track, and it gives you that peace of mind. And this is why we're proud to say at Factbird that the companies that we work with tend to see a 14% operating cost reduction on average in 1 year. So, when you start making decisions based on these data insights and start confirming that you're on the right track with this trend analysis, you can see massive results and ensure that your business is continuously improving. And that's how you, as a C-level executive or business controller, can use Factbird to massively improve your production.